What's going on, guys? There's here.
Today, because you don't screen record your war raid.
And upload it.
Yeah.
Okay, so it starts in an hour, 15 minutes. Is that right when this war ends? That'd be... Oh, 8 minutes after this war ends. Okay, that's good.
Perfect. Hey, guess where that's going?
No.
Whoa.
Oh. To
Oh,
you?
if you can maybe pass this to me.
That's all the boost I had. Oh,
No worries. Oh, I missed. Why is this barely going off the wall? Here. Here. Oh, you went over there. Come
nice.
I feel like that happens to me 42 times a game. Where in this moment, I'm like, I know he's gonna pop it over me, and then I'm still just put myself in perfect pop-overable range. And I just farted, and it smells really fucking badly.
God. Nice.
Mm. Mm. That's rapido. Oh, that's
Oh
netito.
my. How'd you net it?
I don't know. It's just must have been in that one part of the corner,
Oh my.
and enough off the wall.
She's.
What? Netted.
Huge.
Lagging.
I was gonna say, if,
Lag one.
actually I won't say it yet. Yeah, I'll just say it. If we would have lost this game, like every game we've played today has gone to shit. Actually, yeah, we lost that Hanamura game at the end, right? Overwatch.
What?
We lost that Hanamura game on Overwatch before we got off
Of
Overwatch.
course.
Yeah, classic. Oh god.
Okay.
He kind of fucked
Not
you.
that pussy.
Nice. Oh, wow.
Whoops. Whoops.
Whoa.
Nice. That was crazy.
I'm off ball cam. I'm off ball
Oh,
cam.
hey, and you're what?
Oh.
Hey, what? Nope. No, you're good. Never a doubt with the dudes.
Never.
Got plenty of time. He's backwards.
Have you been liking the clickbait Rocket League titles?
I want like over the top clickbait.
You want more than what it
We
is right
found
now?
We found Justin in our Rocket League game. Like something like that. Like something that just nobody would ever believe. But they still
And
watch
that
the
is,
video just to make sure.
and it's not, and it's like completely false too. It's like never even mentioned in the video.
Yeah.
He faked me pretty hard.
Might have just missed it, honestly. I
Let's
don't know
see.
how I didn't touch this.
Just joined a Fortnite game, got 3 kills, and all my teammates dead. Damn it.
What the fuck? Why are you going? Oh, whoa. I'm Rushman, you went for a boost. Then teleported back to the ball.
Oh, nice hit.
I was just.
Was that this game that I sneezed too? Because if so, then I can make that the title of the video.
What? We both sneezed.
We both sneezed.
Rocket League doubles. And CJ's right behind.
Hey, I kind of made it better for him. Good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out one of the other two videos on the screen if you haven't seen them yet, and go to Grand